Welcome to our channel. In this video we will see the best breakfasts for weight loss. If it's the first time you view our videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon. For more informations, please click the links in the description. Weight loss is a fairly sensitive subject. Women especially make it a point of honor to maintain their slim waist. Many engage in intensive sports and physical activity to lose weight. Some of them try draconian diets without results. Beside them, the others try to consume miracle drinks to improve the situation, but nothing always helps. However, to hope to obtain satisfactory results, it is sometimes necessary to be able to combine sport, diet and lifestyle at the same time. In order to help you, we will present a selection of 6 breakfasts ideal for losing weight. 1. Nuts. If you are not used to eating nuts in the morning, it may be time to add this to your daily routine. Indeed, nuts provide an ideal balance between fats, proteins and heart-healthy fibers. This undoubtedly makes it an ideal addition to your breakfast. Research has shown that including nuts in a Mediterranean diet decreases your weight remarkably. 2. Seeds. After the nuts, it's the seeds' turn. Whether it is flax seeds, chia seeds or even oats, it is very important to include these elements in your breakfast. These seeds, especially oats, are low in calories and high in protein and fiber. It is the same for the other seeds. They contain special fibers that absorb water to create a gel that expands in the stomach and helps you feel full for a long time. 3. Green tea. You have no doubt heard of green tea and its virtues. If not, be aware that green tea is an important ingredient in most fat-burning supplements and diet pills. This food has been widely studied for its fat-burning and metabolism capabilities. A study found that drinking a drink containing calcium, caffeine and specific compounds present 3 per day in green tea increases the number of calories burned. Therefore, you can lose weight quickly with green tea by drinking it regularly. 4. Smoothies. Speaking of fruits, we take this opportunity to tell you about smoothies. Smoothies are an easy and quick way to consume high amounts of nutrients. Furthermore, when eaten for breakfast, they can help you lose weight naturally. You can adapt your smoothies to your personal preferences. Putting low-calorie fruits and vegetables can improve fiber intake and reduce appetite. 5. Fruits. What would we be without fruit? There are fruits known to help you lose weight like kiwi and grapefruit. Research has shown that a high-fiber, high-calorie diet is effective in reducing appetite and worry about meals while reducing waste, fat and weight. In addition, kiwis have a special type of fiber called pectin. Pectin has been shown to cause satiety, reduce appetite and help you lose weight. Kiwis are also a natural laxative that stimulates the movement of your gut. They promote regularity and help you lose water weight temporarily. As for grapefruits, in addition to being low in calories, they are rich in fiber and water, which promotes weight loss. The fresh grapefruit slices are perfect for a balanced breakfast. You can also add it to fruit salads, smoothies. However, if you are taking any medicines, tell your pharmacist or doctor before taking them. Special medicines may interact with grapefruit, possibly causing side effects. 6. Coffee. Many studies have shown that your daily cup of coffee can help you lose weight. Because of the caffeine content, coffee could contribute to weight loss by improving fat burning and metabolism. Thank you for watching. You can watch more videos by clicking the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.